Hi everyone, it's Mrs. Summer here to talk about lesson 502, parallel lines. In this lesson, students will be able to determine whether two lines are parallel by comparing their slopes and write the equation of a parallel line. Parallel lines, two lines are parallel if their slopes are congruent. Congruent means the same. So in this example, it says determine if these two lines are parallel. So we've got line A and line B. So line A, I'm going to count its slope. So I'm going to start here at 1 and go up to this point that they've already labeled for us. So we're going to go up 1, 2, 3, over 1, 2, 3, 4. So our slope of line A is 3 over 4. So 3/4. Now let's do it the same thing with slope B, line B. We go up 1, 2, 3 over 1, 2, 3, 4. So the slope of line B is 3/4. And because their slopes are the same, they are congruent. So the two lines are parallel. You can draw the double lines to represent parallel because their slopes are the same. In this example, it says write an equation in slope-intercept form for the line that passes through 3, -4, and this is supposed to say parallel right here, and is parallel to the line described by y equals 2x minus 5. So what do we know in this equation? We know that m is equal to 2. And with m equals to 2, we can write our equation in slope-intercept form, substituting 2 in for m. We can then also substitute in our x and y coordinates into this equation to solve for b. So I have -4 because that's my y coordinate point. I have 3, which is my x coordinate point. And so then I get -4 is equal to 6 plus b. Solving for b, I get b is equal to -10. And so my equation of my line is y equals 2x minus 10. You could have easily used the point slope form for writing this equation, and you would have gotten the same result, but once you got your equation into point slope form, point slope form, you would have had to convert it to slope intercept form because that's what it was asking in the question. So you try. Write an equation in slope intercept form for the line that passes through 4, 10 and is parallel to the line described by y equals 3x plus 8. So what do we know? We know that the new slope is 3 because parallel lines have the same slope, just different y-intercepts. So we know that the new slope is 3, and we can insert it into our slope-intercept equation as y equals 3x plus b. Substituting in my coordinate points, I get 10 is equal to 3 times 4 plus b. So solving that, 10 is equal to 12 plus b, subtracting 12 from both sides. I get b is equal to -2. Then, my equation of my line is y is equal to 3x minus 2.